Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hong Kong Central. We just come back from Lama Island, which we have in tour on the ferry today. So just to elevate, this is one of the tallest building from here. It's very noisy, but you will not hear. It's a beautiful building, beautiful area. Zamunga boat partiwa Assalamu alaikum. I see a video that I just want to make a beautiful video, guys. The tallest building, the second tallest building. This is also, I can name the buildings, but it will take time. We are arriving now from the tour, which we just completed. That is Chim Sa Chui. Coming around. This building, 110. Look at that. People are sitting down up. You will see around. And this is me. I introduce myself to you people. I'm doing the whole work for you. The tour is almost ending, and we will be reaching back